Shiba Inu holders, is Shiba Inu in trouble after 1.4 trillion tokens were dumped by the whales yesterday? We're going to dive into it in this video, guys. Check out the scenery behind me. Absolutely gorgeous out here. So, okay, here's what happened yesterday. It was a crazy day in the overall cryptocurrency market. We had just a ton of volatility, but according to Into the Block, they tell us that the sell-off was triggered by a false report that the US government was selling confiscated Bitcoin, leading to panic among trading firms and causing the crypto crash to happen. Now, here's what happened. Yesterday, Bitcoin almost got to 30K and then quickly dumped. Altcoins dumped too, and this saw Shiba Inu lose 1.4 trillion tokens. They were dumped by the whales. The sell-off came at a time when the gap between large purchases and sales was only 26.1 billion SHIB. What does that show us? Well, it indicated that yesterday would have been a more bullish day for investors if we wouldn't have got this market manipulation, this news out that scared people away. Now, however, the token's price dropped by 8% within an hour, which acted as a trigger for the sell-off. You guys know what happens. The big sellers start trading or selling off. Then the retail money, they start freaking out and FOMOing either out or in. This time they FOMOed out. Now, the bearish price action for SHIB remains under bearish control right now, as the bears have kind of beat the bulls. But I will say this, the bulls have come in when they've had to. We have not dropped that zero. We have not got back to that 509 level in quite some time. We've held the line there. So the current ratio of sellers versus buyers is also not in favor of the token, with 130 sellers for every 121 buyers. So right now, we're just kind of in a bearish point right now for SHIB, but it will flip, guys. It will change. But I'm not going to sugarcoat this. I'm going to tell you when it's good, tell you when it's bad, tell you when it's ugly. It's not ugly right now. It's just not good. It's somewhere in that bad range right now, the bearish sentiment. And it's uncertain how the SHIB token will perform in the future, in the near distant future, of course. But the false report that caused the recent sell-off highlights the importance of staying informed and cautious during these times. But long-term, still very bullish on Shiba Inu, still very, very bullish on Bitcoin. But in these short-term battles, I mentioned it last night in my video, you got to be able to keep your emotions in check. Remember why you got in, keep diversifying. And guys, keep investing. We will win in the end. Love you guys. We'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on another one. Peace.